A common challenge we often hear from manufacturers is how to prevent scratching the material. Typically, removing the abrasive debris with adequate chip removal is enough to solve this, but we here at CR Onsrud needed to take it a step further with a specialized solution for one of our customers. Hello, I'm Drew Richards and I'm here at our factory in North Carolina. I'm standing in front of a machine we just finished for a client. Their composite material consists of foam layered between very thin sheet metal, and then it is painted before it arrives at their facility to be machined. Despite frequent dust removal, they still found the paint marred. Our solution for them is our versatile wide G series. Outfitted with a long 32-foot table and a wide width of 10 feet, they can machine extra large parts. We then added multi-directional rollers. These rollers pop up out of the table, providing a smooth surface for easy material handling and to help prevent the material from scratching. The operator can freely and effortlessly wheel the material into any position, guided by the pop-up reference pins. We also have rollers on the back of the machine, so the operator can easily slide the parts off the table without scratching the paint and without stopping production. If your team is facing this or a different manufacturing challenge, let's talk about the solutions that might be right for you. We welcome your calls.